guys, welcome to C&M Music. My name is KJ. Today I'm going to show you how to use the download product to clean your guitar. Okay, so we got a thing here is the lemon oil, guitar polish for the body, and then one more thing is the string cleaner. Okay, so first we turn off the string from the guitar to use like cleaning for the fingerboard. So, but this maybe take some time. So. We're gonna apply the lemon oil on our guitar fretboard, but you need to remember, usually you need to use on the like ebony or rosewood fretboard, but cannot using with the like glossy fretboard, something like the maple fretboard lah. Okay, so we apply it. But usually I will dig it from using my finger to apply it, because maybe like something like used to give it got the massage, yeah. And then after apply, we will need to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes lah, because need to give the lemon oil absorb from on the fingerboard. So it will let the guitar rosewood or something like the wood become more deep color, and then like the condition is more better. Okay, so this one make some more. Okay, so you need to apply it to till all the wood is like nice, just nice. Okay, so when during give it apply, we need to open out the string and then clean the guitar body. Okay. So let the string all just come out, and then we will start to cleaning the guitar body. So I will use this cream. I usually just put some drop here, and then we just start polishing. Okay, so please make sure that each of the corner it will already apply the polish lah. And then make sure the guitar is clean as your, yeah. Okay, so and then the headstock also same. But you need to remember, for the polish, you need to use a different cloth with the just now to when we apply the lemon oil lah. Okay. So okay, And then this one, usually the price is quite cheap also, because like example this lemon oil, usually this got 4 oils, but the price is just 22 ringgit only. So you can get like, usually maybe you change the string after before you just apply it, no need to use oftenly lah. Like maybe when, like example, you change the string half year, you just half year use one time, or something like you just change the string 1 month, you just 1 month use one time only lah, something like that. But the polish you can do oftenly because the guitar same like our car also, we also need polish every time. So better like when after you play, you just polish it only. Okay. Okay, so now roughly 5 minutes already, so we just clean the fingerboard by using another cloth. So you will see the fingerboard, the color already become like much deeper and then much nicer. And then got some rules say usually when the rosewood fingerboard cracked, they say like you use the lemon oil, maybe they will like put it back together, but I'm not sure because I haven't tried it before. Maybe next time when your guitar like your fingerboard cracked, you can try it lah. But I'm not sure whether it's nice or not because this is just a roof only. Yeah. But so you can see now already clean, and then we polish behind also. Okay. And then I'm gonna show you how to restring also. This guitar I will change it using by the DRW SL110. Hold on. So this is the string. Okay, so first we need to put inside the string. Put on the string, yeah. Okay. Actually the angle is just wrong, but no worry. We'll try to put it back together. Because I got a bit nervous right in front of the camera. Okay. So this one. So this red color, usually the DRW machine got the color like inside the bowl end. For a second. And then last two. Okay, so last three already, and then we will start to restrict it. Yeah. So first, usually I'm doing like using the this kind of like I will put it, I will spring it for one first, and then after that just lock it, because it will become like more stable for the string. I usually using hand is too slow, so I will try to use this one for the winder. It will become like faster a bit. But I think my hand is still faster than it, because it already out of reach. And then after that, cut off the string. Okay, so last but not least, we need to apply our string cleaner on the string. So please make sure the string will go together. Okay, and then after that, using one more cloth to clean it. Okay, so this is the thing today I'm gonna to show you. So if I say next time got any question or something, you can just come to our shop on C&M Pelangi Plaza in level 4. Yes, so got anything you can just come here to find me. My name is KJ. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.